So 2 days and 4 people worth of work, and you could have a shed like this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this 14 by 12 metal shed. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is pretty amazing. We do have a little bit of install for what it looked like to come to this, so we can drop those in now. So this is going to come in 3 separate boxes. The boxes will all be labeled box 1, 2, and 3. There's a parts list for each box to let you know which parts are in the box. And then here is the instructions. So we're going to go step by step through all of these instructions. This is going to take quite a bit of time. So we're going to take our time. We're going to put the shed together. Also, the parts list for this box got damaged. So hopefully I can still figure out what's in it. Okay, we're going to put this thing together. This shed does take a long time to put together. A lot of these screws need these little washers put on. We're putting this together with 3 people, and it's probably going to take us all day, but it's going to be worth it in the end. So we have all of our footings down. We have the base down, and we're going to start attaching everything. You want to make sure when you're doing this that everything you're attaching to is completely level. You don't want your shed to be crooked. Slowly but surely, it's coming together. We did level this whole part out. We just got to move some more rocks over to fill in the floor, but that doesn't matter. The shed is getting put together. It's coming together a little bit more. This is probably going to be a 2-day project for the 4 of us that are working on this. We're going to stabilize the roof and then come back at it tomorrow. Day 2 of shed assembly. Jamie's working on the roof. You're almost got us closed in. Almost. Jamie's doing the last little bit of trim, and I think we have a shed. And as I said, about a day and a half worth of work and 4 people working on it, and we have a shed. It is really nice. You do want to make sure, if this is something you're going to do, you want to make sure that you have a nice level bottom that you can attach the shed to. We used some 4x4 posts to attach it so that it's nice and level, and we did a gravel floor on the inside. It does have some nice vents. Jamie's actually finishing up the trim right now. It does have this, so you can put a lock on here and lock it shut. Let's open the door and look inside. Don't judge our not fully finished floor yet. We got to move some more gravel over here. And if you look here, it does have the little pin locks at the top and the bottom for opening the other door. And the doors do open all the way, which is nice. This thing, here, let me zoom out. This is huge. There is so much space to put stuff in here. My mom and dad had a 10 by 12 shed before this that actually got taken out during the ice storm, which is why the floor is only this big. The ice storm, they had a big branch come down and collapse the roof. So this is perfect to replace that. It does take a little bit of time to put together, but patience, read the instructions carefully. It's really not that bad. The instructions are fairly clear. There's a few spots you're gonna have to look real close to make sure to figure out which side holes are supposed to be on and things like that, because like some of these beams have holes that go on. This one has holes on both sides, but like this beam, the screw holes are on the back side. So if you're trying to figure that out, that's where they're supposed to be, on the back side of both of the outside beams. Yeah, this is actually really nice. The other one was very similar to this. The shed should be waterproof. If you want to make absolute sure it's waterproof, you can always put little drops of silicone on your screws, which is sometimes recommended for metal type sheds, just to make sure that no water gets in. But it's hot in here. It is very warm in there. But yeah, there you go. There you have it. A beautiful, large metal shed. We recommend this.